So to verify the contract, all we just have to do is that we're going to click on it. We're going to click on the contract. We can open it. So here it is. This is the contract address. All right, this is contract address here, and this is the token. We have to open Instra, right? So when we open that, that's going to bring us here while it's trying to load. Good. So it has opened up. You can see Instra 1. All right. So all we just have to do is now we want to verify the contracts. Okay. So I can see what we have is 100 million quantity. That is the total, right? So, and then all we just have to do is that we want to verify the contract. So what we do is click on contract, and then we click on verify and publish. Okay. So what we need to do is that we need to get the code in Remix. That's what we need. So all we just have to do is we have to copy it, and then copy that. So that's complete. I mean, capture the entire thing. It mustn't be different. It has to be the same. All right. So let me just open that. Where is it? Here. So now we want to verify it. So to verify the contract, we're just going to click on continue. We're verifying and we're continuing. So first off, this is the contract. So we have to click on the compiler version. The compiler type is Solidity single file. And then the next thing we have to click on is we have to know what's the compiler version. Okay, the compiler version is 0.7.6. 0.7.6. Where are you? Here it is. All right. So once you put in that, say uncheck to show all what nightly commits also. Well, I don't know what that is. Let's just click on continue. Oh, it says, oh, the open source. Let's just click on MIT license. All right, and then click on continue. So next off is we have to put all the information in here. So it say we need to paste that. Let me be sure. Yeah, compiler version, everything is set. So we have to put in the code below. It must be the same. Every single thing must be the same. All right. So then after we've done that, next thing is that let's be sure everything is here. Let me be sure everything is correct. Optimization, yeah, we have to enable optimization, yes. And then we have to make sure I'm checking that everything is there. Contract compiler, optimization, the code is in. Good. So once we do that, we click on I'm not a robot. Okay, bicycles. Where are bicycles? Bicycles, bicycles. Which other bicycle do we have? Bicycle. All right. Do we have another bicycle here? Okay. Click on verify. So we need to verify and publish. Okay. Let's wait and see. Let's hope everything works. So we're just waiting for it to say anything. Okay, awesome. So I think we have been able to verify that. Let's be sure we did to verify. What happened? Yeah, successfully generated. Oh, done. Good. So everything is verified, right? So we can go ahead. So everything has been verified. Awesome. So now that that has been done, we can go back. So we verified it, so we need to go back to the contract, and then we're going to begin to change the functionalities. Okay.